In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix virus scan failed when downloading on Microsoft Edge. First, let's open Microsoft Edge. Look for the Edge icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. It usually looks like a blue and green wave. If you cannot find it, you can also search for it in the Start menu. Just click on the Start button and type Edge in the search bar. Once you see it, click to open. Opening Edge is the first step to addressing the downloading issues you're facing. This ensures that we are working in the right environment to make the necessary changes. Next, press the keys Ctrl, Shift, and Delete all at the same time. You will need to hold down the Ctrl and Shift keys while you press the Delete key. This action opens a new window for clearing your browsing data. It is essential to know that this is a common step in resolving download issues. By clearing certain data, you can eliminate potential conflicts that may be causing the virus scan error. Once that window appears, set the time range to all time. You will see a drop-down menu at the top of the window. Click on it and select all time from the options. This choice ensures that you clear all the data from the beginning, not just the recent history. By doing this, you are giving yourself the best chance to resolve the issue completely. Now select the following options: cached images and files, and download history. In the same window, you will find checkboxes next to these options. Make sure both are checked. Cached images and files can take up valuable space and may contain outdated data. Clearing the download history can help remove any problematic records that might be interfering with new downloads. This is a simple yet effective step to streamline your browser's performance. After making those selections, click on Clear Now. This is usually a blue button at the bottom of the window. Once you click it, the browser will begin clearing the selected data. You might see a brief loading animation. This step is crucial because it helps refresh your browser's state, eliminating anything that could potentially disrupt your downloads. With that ready, it's time to restart Edge. You can do this by simply closing the browser and then reopening it. This refreshes the application and loads it with the new settings we just applied. Restarting ensures that all changes take effect and allows Edge to start fresh. It's a small action that can make a significant difference in resolving issues. At this point, you have successfully cleared the necessary data and restarted Microsoft Edge. This process not only helps fix the virus scan failed error, but also improves your overall browsing experience. It might seem like a few simple steps, but they can save you a lot of frustration in the long run. Now, you should attempt to download your file again. If the download goes through without the virus scan error, congratulations, you have successfully resolved the issue. If you still encounter problems, remember that checking your internet connection and ensuring your antivirus is not blocking downloads can also help. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful for you. Happy browsing!